So 6 months ago, I added this video, which is the fourth part of my Velociraptor tutorial. After that, I just started uploading other stuff and left the people actually watching the tutorial behind. Just want to apologize for that. I was just trying to figure out some stuff, like you could see here, like just learning some new things, like this caustics, and well, trying to animate stuff like that. But today that's going to change. Today we're going to be making the fifth part, which might be reworking the eye again. The head is a bit too wide, whereas the head is a bit too wide, but will maybe come in a future tutorial. The nose looks ugly. The eyes are still wrong. The head also looks a little bit ugly. But those reworks will maybe come in a future video. But for today, we will be adding the inside of the mouth. And hello, welcome back. I know this is a very weird place to say hi and welcome back, but here we are. You can see I have this talking dinosaur in the corner. I just need to check now for it's in the way for things. So yeah, I'm finally making the fifth part to this tutorial. And it's 6 months later since the last tutorial. Yeah, so thank you for everybody who have subscribed and supported me since then. And you guys can go check out my social medias. I don't think these are updated, so don't follow those. But the links under this video is new, and under this video as well. Well, this video what you're watching now. Go check out my Twitch as well. Yeah, that's all I can say about on Twitch. I don't stream regularly, but I stream enough for content. Okay, now with that out of the way, we should probably start. So yeah, like I said, we will start with the inside of the mouth, and you might be wondering, if we are going to redo the head either way, why am I, oh wait, that's not loaded in. I'll do that after I record the video. Like I said, if I'm going to redo the head in the future, why am I going to do the inside of the mouth? Well, just to show you the process of what we're going to do. And as you would have noticed, 3D modeling and all the methods you can use is a very evolutionary process. Because I've seen a lot of other tutorials and stuff. Each one is different. There's basically a mixture of everything I have learned, but that has also changed since the last video. So yeah, to begin, select your model and press tab. Unfortunately, I don't have it out on what shows everything, all the keys I'm pressing, and press 1, or you can go up here to select, because we are now in face mode. Face select mode, so we want to go into vertice select mode. It is very wide. I don't like it. Also another thing, I just start selecting these. Don't select these. Just select these I'm selected. But also, the reason my microphone sounds like this, because I got a new headset with a microphone attached to it, and it has its own denoiser built into it. Which sounds nice, but it muffles some things a bit. So yeah, unfortunately that's a thing, but I mean, it's better than my previous microphone. Yeah, so now we've selected these faces. Okay, press 1 on your numpad and E to extrude and X to bring it in like this. Now you want to make like a lip over there. Yeah, we do it again, E and X, and clipping is turned off. Let's just turn clipping back on. Because it's already extruded, you just have to press G and X again. Do not press E again, because otherwise you'll make another duplicate and you will have weird artifacts. Just let it merge in the center. Go on your free on your numpad and Alt Z to go to what it's called X-ray mode. Press G to bring it back down like this. And just bring this down. Alt Z again to go out. It's just now that's mirror. Subdivision surface off. Just saving. I have it on external hard drive, so that's why it's taking a while. So now you see we have this hole over here. So we just select this vertex, go back here and Alt Z, right? You need to extrude the vertex out to here. Come back here, G and X again. And it's a bit of a weird shaped. Going back, another each extrude, let merge in the center, and bring it down like this. Okay, so now you select these 4 vertices, press F. These 4 vertices and F. Now you do the same down here. Bring it out here, and that must merge here. This will be a triangle, unfortunately. Triangles is fine. So quads and triangles are fine. It's just let's make it a bit bigger. Yeah, we will change this later, because as you can see, it's very thin here. That shouldn't be like it. So we will have to redo the head at some point in time. But let's do the same for the upper jaw. Select from here. Be careful not to select other vertices. Then we do the same, but in X-ray mode. So E, X, bring it in to make a lip. E and X again, make it merge in the center, and bring it up like this. Now this doesn't matter on how it flows, because you won't really see the way it flows. So now we select this vertex again, bring it out over here, Z, so 7 and 9, G and X. You want to make it flow very nicely, bring it here in as well. Make sure it, there you go, 7, 9. Now we just want to, I select a different place accidentally. Yeah, do not do that. There you go. At the moment, my entire YouTube channel only exists of this one series, and I have nothing else to make videos on, which is a problem. So over here, I just select those 2, press M, and that center. Okay. Let's turn subdivision off. This triangle, and select those 4 faces, press F. Let's see how it turned out. Turned out better. We're going to the lower bottom jaw. But as I was saying, my entire YouTube channel at the moment only exists out of this series, and I want to do more than just this dinosaur modeling tutorial. So I will if you guys maybe commented of things you guys want to learn. Okay, so you select these 2 vertices down here, and you extrude them out. No, don't do that. I just used Alt Z. Select only that face. Bring it out. Bring it out over here. Same for up here. Down here, and press F between them. Okay, so now we want to select that vertex over there. Where is it? Here it is. Bring it out here. And we do the same for over here. Extrude, but we do this thing again. M at center. And we bring that back out here. Then we select these 4 faces, F, and over here as well, F. Then we turn off the subdivision. We select these top vertices. Here the bottom vertices. And then you do the center for a triangle. Just remember to press Ctrl S to save. And as soon as it's saved, or we can just go save. Sorry about that. I'll cut that out. Yeah, so now I have the inside of the mouth, but we will redo the head entirely in a future video. I mean, it doesn't look bad from the side, it just looks weird from the front. So yeah, that is basically the entire Velociraptor. There's not really much left, but we have to redo the head entirely. See how does the vertices flow? Yeah, so we only need to redo the head. Wait, before we go on, forgot this little part. So it has flesh here in the center, right? So what you do is basically select all of these vertices, these faces. Press I, like that. Then before you continue, we just want to this wider. Bring you in. You're in. There we go. And press 3 again. And delete faces. So you press X, delete faces. And now we should be able to, so select those, F, and you just, well, do the same as you do with any other faces. There is one trick with this as soon as you have finished doing this, which I struggled to figure out for the longest time. So I will be showing you to do so. Alright, it fixed itself this time. Just remember to shade smooth it. But what you would usually do is you would go look at the face orientation. The blue face means it's going into the right direction, or it's outside. Red means it's the inside. So what you do is tab and A to select everything, and Alt N. You recalculate the outside and it will fix your normal. So if it looks weird, if something looks weird, like go for instance and just select this one face, Alt N and say flip. If you see something like this, just tab A to select everything, Alt N and recalculate outside. And it will fix it. So this is a shorter video than usual, but yeah, so in the next video I will be remodeling the head. We will be putting in the nails and claws. That will be for the next video. Unfortunately, there might be another 6-month delay, or 3 months, or at least a month delay. That's very unfortunate, but that's how things work. If you want any other tutorials, just comment on this video, because at the moment my channel only exists out of this tutorial. And I don't think that's a very good thing, because if this tutorial is finished, there will be nothing left. So yes, support me on my other socials, which will be in the links will be in the description. Go check out other creators as well. They have some good tutorials as well. And yeah, thank you for watching this video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you followed along. This wasn't confusing. Sorry if you couldn't really hear me over the microphone. And yeah, see you in like a month or so with the next video. Bye.